After previously introduced the Valico 300 last month, Voge Motorcycle recently launched an additional variant called the Valico 300 Rally. The additional type of adventurous motorbike is said to be more stable than the previous edition. Compared to the 300DS variant, the Rally version was developed with a focus on off-road terrain. But first, let me play our intro. The 2023 Voge Valico 300 Rally is powered by a 292cc DOHC single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which can provide a maximum power of up to 28.6 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and a peak torque of 24.4 newtons at 6,500 RPM. Not only that, this rally bike is also supported by an 11 liters fuel tank capacity. As we can see, the engine is pinned on tubular steel frame, complete with a 37mm upside-down front suspension and fully adjustable rear monoshock. Meanwhile, the braking systems are handled by 300mm front disc brake and 220mm rear disc brake that pin on the 21 inches front wheel and 18 inches rear wheel. In addition, the Valico 300 Rally also features LCD screen pedal instrument cluster, USB charger ports, and LED lighting at the rear. Last for the price, the 2023 Voge Valico 300 Rally costs €4,190 and currently only available for Italian market. That's it.